Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start our new topic called challenges in implementation of ESG initiatives. So what are those challenges? I have taken certain examples. So first one is lack of awareness and understanding. So these are the challenges basically when the organizations face. So first of them is lack of awareness and understanding. In this, many organizations may lack awareness of ESG issues or have limited understanding of their relevance to business operations and performance. And building awareness and educating stakeholders about the importance of ESG can be a significant challenge. The next one is complexity in the scope. So ESG encompasses a broad range of ESG related factors, each with its own complexities and interdependencies as well. Managing the complexity and the breadth of ESG considerations can overwhelm organizations, specifically those with limited resource or expertise. The next comes data availability and the quality. Collecting reliable and relevant data to measure ESG performance can be challenging, particularly for smaller organizations or those operating in industries with limited data availability. Ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and comparability across different sources and stakeholders can also pose certain challenges. Next one is resource constraints. In this, implementation of ESG initiatives often requires dedicated resources, including like financial resources, human resources, technological resources, and limited budget. Competing priorities and resource constraints can hinder organizations' ability to invest in ESG management effectively. Next is integration into business processes. So integrating ESG consideration into core business process and decision making can be challenging, especially if ESG is perceived as separate from mainstream business operations. So overcoming silos and resistance to change within the organization requires a strong leadership and effective change management strategies. Regulatory complexity and compliance can be one challenge. Like we can say, ESG regulations and reporting requirements vary across jurisdictions and are subject to evolving standards and frameworks. Navigating regulatory complexity, ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations, and also keeping abreast of regulatory developments can pose challenges for the organizations. Next is stakeholder expectations and engagement. Balancing diverse stakeholder interests and expectations regarding ESG can be challenging, especially when priorities conflict or stakeholders have differing views on ESG issues. Engaging with the stakeholders effectively, managing expectations, and building consensus around ESG priorities requires strong communication and relationship management skills. Next is measuring impact and performance. Quantifying the impact of ESG initiatives and demonstrating tangible outcomes can be challenging, particularly for initiatives with long term or indirect effects. Developing meaningful metrics, measuring performance accurately, and communicating results transparently are essential for assessing the effectiveness of ESG efforts. Next is cultural and organizational change. So, shifting organizational culture and mindset to embrace sustainability and responsible business practice, this requires time, lot of efforts, and commitment. But overcoming resistance to change, fostering buy-in from employees and leaders, and embedding ESG values into organizational DNA are critical for driving meaningful change. Next is external pressure and stakeholder activism. External pressures from investors, customers, NGOs, and other stakeholders can influence organizations' ESG strategies and priorities. Addressing stakeholder concerns, managing reputational risk, and responding to stakeholder activism effectively require proactive engagement and responsiveness. So, we can say addressing these challenges requires a holistic and systematic approach, strong leadership commitments, and collaboration across functions and stakeholders, and a long term perspective on sustainability and responsible business practices. So organizations that effectively navigate these challenges can unlock opportunities for innovation, growth, and value creation while contributing to a more sustainable and equitable future. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic now.